Haveli. So we are going in Karnal Haveli Dhaba, and like we are now, my mother and father are already under. So here is the security guard up here, and then here is the photo of our god, and then we have our entrance inside there. And after it, we are having fun. So here is the place where we are eating. Please try to visit it. It is a really fun place. When I was 2 years old, I even visited it. So it was so great. This is the reception in which all the things are paid. Here is the power guidelines and the fire stand. Okay. Here are some like pictures. I will show you some. Okay. This is Har Gobind, Kushwant Singh, and more about Punjab. And this is the really nice. So these are the lights, and up it is written like Hindi or Punjab. So these are two ladies, just don't mind these because like somebody broke this. Okay. So this is the manka which was used, this is the chest and more things used in the old time of Punjab. And I really love the entry of the guard is like so kind. I really love it. So here are some maiden pictures. It's kind of looking like dragons. And there are some beautiful, I don't know what we will do with this, but it is something. So inside here are beautiful music. Everybody is singing and doing the work. Okay. So this is the ground, and there's a chair for relaxing. And this is the Karnal Haveli. Even this is also there. A unique theme resort. You'll find this as a resort, and it's really good. Try this. You just need to book it now. I mean, if it could be booked, you can book it now. Okay. So this is the food that we are eating.
So हमारा ऑर्डर आ चुका है.
So like this is Mama. And some of the food we are not eating, but we are trying to eat them. Okay, so he's the manager.
Hello.
He's the manager.
Hello, how are you?
Okay, so he was the manager who controls all the things. There are the staff's place, which I will show you. So these are some staffs which give us food, okay? And here we have some empty benches, which is already cleaned. They clean the empty benches. And here we find a lot more. So right now, I'm kind of tired, so I will sit down. Okay, as you can see, there's also more things. But this is Karnal Haveli, which is the best Haveli ever I've seen. Look, there were some Punjabi girls like Punjabi. I really like them. Okay, so this is Punjabi city as I told you, but they're Muslim. This is from Punjab. Take a look. This is the barrier. Because we can't enter there. I know why are there. They must be for VIP or like any shadi. So we should not enter it, or whoever is staying in this way. Okay. So I showed you the manager. You just can take down the link. You can like click on the phone number, call him and book it right now. It is like you can. This is kind of famous. When I was 2 years old, I will show you. When I was 2 years old, I even visited here, and it was like a great journey. I was dancing there. And you will not know. I don't want to tell you right now, but when we will go outside, like I'll tell you it all about. Don't worry. So, as you know, this is the part 2. Part 3 will be outside. Okay, but not right now. We are not ending this right here. I need to show you something. Good. Okay. So, here are the students. Here the birthday celebration is going on, and more and more and more. Here are the guys. Here the stuffings, and now. You know what Punjabi? We will celebrate here. So like, for now, wait for the part 3. The number is given in the link. Call and book now. Bye. Welcome back to part 2. And 1, 2, 3, go! Boom! Okay, so we are going somewhere. We are happy. Look.
मैं मिलाती हूँ